んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn the grammar number 65 using TK, te form of the verb, and we are going to learn expression. てもいいですか? We use this expression to ask for permission. English translation would be, may I? Or is it okay to? One example with this verb, 聞きます. This means to listen and to ask. So if I say, 一つ聞いてもいいですか? Can I ask you one thing? Can I ask you something? Other example, 食べます. To eat. And the te form is 食べて. So 食べてもいいですか? これを食べてもいいですか? Can I eat this? And to say, sure, go ahead. We say, いいですよ、どうぞ。どうぞ. You can answer like this. もちろん. Of course. Why not? もちろん. Let's see many more examples. 座ります. This verb means to sit down. 座ります. This is the group 1. So the te form is 座って. 座って. And this verb, we need to use に for the particle just before 座ります. The place に座ります. For example, I sit down on a chair. 椅子に座ります. Then, what do you think we say in Japanese? May I sit down here? ここに座ってもいいですか? 吸います. This verb means to breathe in, to inhale. And タバコ? This is tobacco. May I smoke here? May I smoke here? ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか? ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか? すみません、ちょっと。すみません、ちょっと。Then we are not going to say anything more. But this means no. It is to turn down something, to decline, to refuse. We don't say, ダメ、ダメ。Maybe we can say it. But when we say, すみません、ちょっと。This is quite polite way to refuse, to turn down. Oh, it's cold. Can I close a window? I help you with vocabulary. It's 寒い. This means cold. 寒い. This is い adjective. And 閉めます. This is the verb to close. 閉めます. This is the second group. So this is quite easy to form the te form. 閉めて. 閉めて. This is te form of 閉めます. To close. And the word window, we say 窓. 窓. This is window. Then in Japanese, 寒いですから窓を閉めてもいいですか? 寒いですから窓を閉めてもいいですか? Can I borrow your ballpoint pen? Ballpoint pen, we say ボールペン. ボールペン, ballpoint pen. 借ります. This is to borrow. Borrow. 借ります. Here, before mas, this is ri sound. But this is one of the exception. So this is the second group. So second group is very easy to conjugate. So 借りて, this is the te form. 借りて, ボールペンを借りてもいいですか? ボールペンを借りてもいいですか? Can I buy this clothes? 洋服 clothes. Only 服 can be clothes 服. 洋服 actually it means the Occidental style clothes. 洋 this means ocean. For example, 太平洋 the Pacific Ocean. 大西洋 the Atlantic Ocean. So 洋服 the Western style clothes. But we usually use 洋服. The verb to buy, we say 買います. 買います. This is the group 1. 買います. So, and this e changed to small つ and te. So the group 1, 買います. This is 買って. The te form. 買って. この洋服を買ってもいいですか? この洋服を買ってもいいですか? Can I use that dictionary? Can I use that dictionary? 辞書 辞書 dictionary. The verb 使います 使います。to use 使います。This is also the group 1. The te form is 使って、使って。その辞書を使ってもいいですか？その辞書を使ってもいいですか？ Oh, excuse me, I'm using it. Please wait for a moment. あ、すみません。今、使っていますから、ちょっと待ってください。あ、すみません。今使っていますから、ちょっと待ってください。Can I go to the movie theater tomorrow with my friend? 映画館。映画館。This is movie theater or cinema. 映画館。行きます。The verb to go. で、行きます。This is the group 1. And te form is 行って with two small two. 行って。明日、友達と映画館へ行ってもいいですか？明日、友達と映画館へ行ってもいいですか？明日友達と映画館へ行ってもいいですか？ Can I see the picture? 写真 This is the picture 写真 and the verb 見ます to see, to watch and to look at 見ます This is the second group So the te form is 見て写真を見てもいいですか？写真を見てもいいですか？ May I put my luggage here? Can I put my luggage here? 荷物 This is luggage or baggage or suitcase or the bag 置きます This is the verb and meaning is to put on, to put in or to collocate, to deposit This 置きます With this kanji 置きます And this we need to use に the particle someplace に置きます place に置きます And this is the group 1 So this key changed to いて So 置きます te form 置いて The same pronunciation and the same intonation 置きます with other kanji And this one 起きます This means to get up, to wake up 起きます And in this case, this is the group 2 So the te form is 起きてここに荷物を置いてもいいですか？ここに荷物を置いてもいいですか？ Can I play with a new game? New, we say 新しい This one 新しい And this is the contrary of 古い This is the old 新しい New This is E adjective And game We say game Just like in English game The verb to play 遊びます This is group 1 So the te form 遊んで This be changed to んで遊んで新しいゲームで遊んでもいいですか？新しいゲームで遊んでもいいですか？ Can I go to a park to play? Can I go to a park to play? 公園 park 遊びます to play but this is the object the purpose 遊びます and 行きます to go the verb to go and in this case 遊びに行きます to go the purpose is to play go to play 遊びに行きます and in this case only the last verb 行きます this is that you must conjugate to te form 行って the group 1遊びに行って公園へ遊びに行ってもいいですか？公園へ遊びに行ってもいいですか？ Can I get this map? Or can I take this map? 地図 This is map 地図 And the verb もらいます。もらいます。You say this is to get or to receive. Or in this case, can I take this map? We use with this verb もらいます。And this is the group 1. And te form, this e changed to small 2 and te もらって。この地図をもらってもいいですか？この地図をもらってもいいですか？ Now a quiz time with only 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目 May I borrow your ballpoint pen? 2番目 Can I take a picture here? 3番目 Can I eat this cake? 4番目 May I turn off the TV? Can I turn off the TV? 5番目最後です。It's hot. Can I open the window? Today we learned this expression. でもいいですか? And literally it means, would you mind if I do? Would you mind if I do this? And so this is でもいいですか? May I? Is it okay if I do this? Is it okay to? So this is でもいいですか? Very useful expression. In the end of this video, you can listen to me all the time in Japanese. But before, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. You can send me some commentaries to tell me how you could learn this lesson. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日は、でもいいですか？という表現を勉強しました。これは人に何かを頼みたいとき、人に何かを頼んでこれでもいいですか？と許可をもらうときに使う表現です。ちょっと難しかったかな？じゃないですよね。それはてフォーム、てけを勉強すれば簡単です。てけ、そしてもいいですか？今日のビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、高評価ボタンお願いいたします。私のビデオにまだチャンネル登録をなさっていなかったら、ぜひなさってくださいね。そしてコメントもお待ちしています。私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたら、とても助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。では、また次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。バイバイ。